Research assistants can produce polished answers while hiding how they searched, what they actually read, and which decisions belong to the researcher. RAGdoll was built to keep those receipts. This is the real RAGdoll terminal, resuming a documented acceptance investigation about video generation models. The recorded run was completed locally with Ollama and Qwen 3 for B. No OpenAI API call is simulated in this recording. RAGdoll turns an ambiguous question into a structured research brief and an executable search plan. The researcher can inspect every axis, query family, inclusion rule, and source before approving discovery. Search never starts silently. Approved queries run through scholarly source adapters. Results are deduplicated and ranked with visible score components and reasons. This run retrieved 24 candidates, but the human selected the 6 papers that entered the evidence workflow. Paper selection and evidence acquisition are separate approvals. RAGdoll records the source, retrieval state, evidence level, and page count. 5 papers supplied open full text, and 1 used an explicitly labeled abstract fallback. The resulting dossier contains 7 checkpoint sections and 25 cited claims. It states its evidence boundary instead of claiming exhaustive coverage or novelty. Every accepted citation identifier had to be present in the bounded evidence supplied for that section. A citation is not decorative. From any claim, the researcher can inspect the exact indexed passage, paper identifier, page locator, and evidence level. Unsupported questions fail, closed, instead of inviting the model to guess. Model output crosses Pydantic validation before entering domain logic, while narrow adapters own retrieval, storage, and permissions. Codex accelerated repository analysis, implementation, testing, and security review. RAGdoll also contains a Real Responses API adapter configured for GPT 5.6. Is contract tested, not presented as live in this capture. The acceptance run indexed 307 page-aware chunks. A manual passage audit found 23 of 25 claims directly supported, preserving the 2 failures as evidence that citation integrity is not automatic entailment. RAGdoll helps researchers move faster without giving up judgment, provenance, or the ability to check the receipts.